Here I'm taking 6 pieces of a branch. I already had this white branch decor piece at my home, so I'm using that. But with natural dried branch, it will look even more prettier. The two materials that I'm using here are wood branch and jute rope, and both these materials have a rustic aesthetic to it. So just by inclusion of natural elements, you can easily give a decor piece a nice rustic look. After the two triangles are ready, I'll start tying the two triangles together to form a star shape. Now I'll cut off all the excess jute rope and also chop off the branch pieces to give it a nice clean look. Next up is tassel Christmas trees. I'll start by making the triangular shape of the Christmas tree. I'll glue two sticks together to form the base, that will be around 6.5 inches, and three sticks together to form the sides, that will be around 10.5 inches. Now if you try to make a Christmas tree larger than this, then it might be flimsy and easily breakable. So my recommendation is that if you want to make tassel trees, then make it this size or smaller than this. Now we'll glue all sides together to form a Christmas tree shape. You can also use a cardboard base for this project, but then you won't get that tassel hanging effect to the tree. For making the tassel, you'll need scissors, yarn and a box. So the box just makes it easier to make the tassel. I'll take the yarn and I'll go around the box 8 times. Then remove the yarn from the box and cut the loop ends. Fold the yarn and tie a string at about 1 inch from the top. I'm combing the yarn ends to make it little fluffy. For the tree this size, you will need around 27 tassels. To start gluing the tassels to the tree, we'll have to first glue popsicle sticks horizontally to the triangle. I'll take tassel as a reference for the distance between the horizontal popsicle sticks. After gluing all the tassels, check for any gaps and fix those by gluing additional tassels to the tree. To make the stand of the tree, we'll be gluing 3 sticks together and the length should be 10.5 inches. We'll be making 3 such sets. And then we'll glue all those sets together. I'm planning to cover the foam with the jute rope, but since I'm using hot glue, I cannot directly apply the hot glue to the foam. So I'm masking the foam first with masking tape, and then I'll apply hot glue to it and stick jute rope. This is one more tree that I have made, which is smaller in size, and also I did not comb the tassels. So even without combing the tassels, it looks very pretty.